Looking for the ultimate driving experience? Here are the top 3 most popular models we sell at Patrick BMW here in Schaumburg, Illinois. First up, the BMW X3. With powerful engine options and responsive acceleration, the X3 delivers power that you can feel. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with premium materials and generous cargo space. Advanced safety features like lane keeping assistance and adaptive cruise control come standard in the BMW X3. With available xDrive all-wheel drive, you'll be ready for any road, any season. Next, the BMW X5. Bold, powerful, and refined, the X5 offers an impressive engine lineup, including an available turbocharged V8 engine for you performance lovers out there. Step inside an elegant, driver-focused interior with an advanced infotainment system. Enjoy 3-zone climate control and premium seating options for next-level comfort. Plus, intelligent all-wheel drive and available off-road capability give you confidence wherever you go. And finally, the BMW 330i. A responsive turbocharged engine paired with sporty handling makes every drive exciting. Its sleek design and premium finishes turn heads inside and outside the vehicle. With the advanced iDrive system and digital cockpit, technology is always at your fingertips. It's a perfect balance of comfort and performance for everyday driving. Whether you choose the X3, the X5, or the 330i, BMW delivers performance, luxury, and innovation in every mile. To learn more about these vehicles, visit us at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg or check out our website at patrickbmw.com.